Zoom camera there and you pull it in.
Yeah. There they are.
They would have to be, why couldn't they be a little lower where you could get to
Yeah, I tell you, if we just had a good pole saw,
Yeah,
we could cut down that whole damn limb.
that's true. Yeah,
Drop it to the ground.
that's right.
Oh well.
You win some, you lose some.
That's right. Well, we're back again at the Omega yard. Probably the third or fourth time now. I've lost track, but it's been about 10 days. We just need to come down and check the honey flow. And it should be on pretty full, and it looks like all the bees are flying good. So right now we're going to just replace all the supers and hopefully not have to look down in them too much as long as we see good activity. So just follow along. You're gonna give us a narrative there, Roy Bob?
Ladies and gentlemen, we're at it again out here in the bee yard, checking to see if we
Look at these.
might need some supers, and the gallberry's putting out good, so.
Smoke her up there a little bit there, Roy. Garden there.
Look at there now. That mare's got put on a little bit of weight, you know.
Still got
These are
space.
packages.
It's got one. Only one I think is built out pretty good.
Yeah, let's see here. This super was put on last, wasn't it?
Yeah, no, we put that on whenever we put them out.
Look at the frame of blue. Look at that cell. What in the world? Huh? Oh, that's caviar. Caviar! Mmm. That is good.
That's a whole frame full of right there.
That's brand new brood there. Capital is kind of a mixed bag, you know, seals, this big drone running around in there. Look at it slop out. The nectar slopping out. This is put
The
on,
next one there, I thought that's the only one. Yeah, it's got quite a bit of.
yeah, honey and pollen. Look how light, that's gallberry there. Look how it's fresh,
Yeah, that is. That's
kind of wet, you know.
really clear looking. That's about it though.
But this was a weaker hive here.
Yeah, they haven't. All these are pretty. Well, we had some swarms.
But it was a nuke, you know,
Yeah,
and,
well, that's it. Pretty strong.
it was a package,
Yeah.
and so therefore, it takes a little while for them to build up, you know.
Right. Yeah, there's a couple of them that have that you can tell were the swarms.
There was old smoker,
That's a little off.
about like the one we just looked at, isn't it?
Yeah, a little weaker maybe.
Yes, it's a little weaker, but
You want to pull it up? Pull off these two. Looks like it's honey. Yeah, they're working on it.
oh yeah, you see, this is all fresh nectar. Look at that, like stuff. See all the baby bees in there? Yeah, that's really
One
wild.
next to it, they're working too.
There's eggs down in here.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, see all that new brood down in the center?
See.
Right in here. See all the milky pap down in there nourishing the larvae?
You can see it there with that.
If you get the sunlight on it, see, you can see in there good. See all that young.
Except for I'm putting a shadow on it. Yeah.
Oh, is it? Oh, okay.
No, I am with my camera.
Oh, okay.
That's okay. We'll see. Been there a day or so. For many years, we've heard about the wonderful gallberry flow in these parts. This is our first year trying to chase this flow, and so we didn't know what to really expect. Our first yard caught the tie-tie flow and did really good at bringing in the honey. So good that we decided to bring 20 new packages down here. But what we quickly are realizing is the gallberry flow is either very late or it's going to be very light this year. This is the second video where we say the gallberry's in full flow just because it really should be. But many beekeepers all across the area have been asking the same questions as us. Where's the flow? So this yard basically looks like it has, except for the minimal additional stores. It's not bad, however, we were just expecting much more. So I'm going to go ahead and step on the gas and get us through this yard fairly quickly.
Basically about the same.
Yeah. Well, no, this don't look very. That looks pretty good.
All right.
And it's about like that other one. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4.
Pretty nervous.
Well, not too bad. Thing is, this queen is just, she's really not up to par. Chalkwood, see this right here? This is chalkwood, see it?
Okay, how can you tell that?
It's in its first stages. See how it's slumped down in the sail? That's chalkwood, you see? And the thing about it, the only way you can stop this is to requeen it, you know.
Okay.
But there, see now here's another cell, chalkwood, see?
Okay.
That's what it is, it's
We
chalkwood.
need to requeen
It'll
it.
dry up, yeah, and this is drawn here. You can see how spotty it is?
Yeah, I see that.
Get in. It got one in.
See,
It's
it's
inside
here.
my mail.
See, there's more. Yeah, here's one. Here's another larvae that's
Well,
dried
look,
up.
there's a bunch of queen cells. There. Oh no.
These are just old
Yeah.
cells.
As soon as I saw the bottom, I knew it.
This needs to be requeened.
Okay.
We really need to kill this queen and requeen her with another good healthy one. The brood spotted and the chalk brood. See, it's faulty in the queen, and then too, what causes chalk brood is generally a genetic factor plus moisture. You know, doesn't help.
of it.
I thought temperature had a...
Yeah, it
factor
does.
in it.
It does. Temperature and moisture. Yeah. But that one needs to be requeened. You know, but I was really expecting it to be a little
I
heavy.
was too. I think that next yard is going to be much better.
Well, of course it will be.
It better be, or else you're both fired.
Did you see that thing inside my mail?
Yeah.
How'd it get in the bee in there?
Oh, had that
Scorpion?
scorpion.
Scorpion in your veil?
Yeah,
No, was it?
yeah.
Oh,
Oh, going back to the truck, I killed it.
Oh, they darn. Yeah.
I thought
I
somebody
know
put it
I've
in
got
here.
bit on, you know,
I wouldn't
stung
do
on
that,
it
Bob.
for pregnant. They get up under in the shaded areas on these handholds.
There's one right there.
That's the end of him.
You detailed it.
You didn't get Doc a chance to
detailed
video
it.
the whole thing.
Yeah. Well, sometimes I get a little confused myself, but actually we were expecting them to be a little heavier, but
He was crawling inside here.
we didn't lose any.
I guess there's the one, you know, we lost.
All the brood is clean,
It came off
healthy.
the road, trying to
The
get
bees
it.
are
They jumped on it.
fairly
I
active,
don't know how it got under this veil.
and it's still early in the season. We've still got 2 more good weeks, and these things can explode in 2 weeks. I know when conditions are right up in them northern regions, I've seen my dad and I get a honey crop, and a good one within 10 days, but conditions have to be perfect. But as you can see, they're active and they're healthy, and I'm well pleased, really.
So what did we put on here? One super? Took off two and put on one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. But actually, they were packaged. I really wasn't too keen on putting the super on when we brought them in, but we talked it over and decided we would because I didn't know when we'd get back. But they're getting up in them. In another week or 10 days, they'll be ready for more space. So I can't complain. Beautiful day. We're alive and healthy. And be happy.
Same day in our original yard. And it's the second time that we've come back and there's been a swarm in the tree.
I couldn't get it that.
Have you got a
right
picture of the swarm dog?
No, not yet. But let me show you. Here's a good gallberry. I don't know if you can see that.
Yeah, you can see it's kind of a mixed bag. There's some that's already going to seed and others that's getting ready to open. But that's a beautiful bloom. Yeah, beautiful bloom of gallberry that come off of the high bush gallberry.
Now
And,
let me see if I can get out and
It's one
find
of the best honey sources in this region.
Let me see if I can find that hive. Oh, that.
I tell you, it must just be early. I don't know, maybe it's a little early for the season. I tell you what, I get confused every season sometimes, you know.
Every season's a little different.
Yeah, it is.
All right. Let me see if I can get on this.
I don't know what this bell type thing is. I gotta find out what this is.
My problem is I can't see.
Yeah. That I was with you on that big
The big tree over there.
Yeah.
Before you turn around.
Oh, that's because we're not up high enough.
Can you get it, Doc?
I got it.
Well, you put the zoom camera there and you pull it in.
Yeah. There they are.
They would have to be, why couldn't they be a little lower where you could get them?
Yeah, I tell you, if we just had a good pole saw,
Yeah,
we could cut down that whole damn limb.
that's true. Yeah,
Drop it to the ground.
that's right.
Oh well.
You win some, you lose some.
That's right. Really?
Oh, two bees.
I was gonna say that one was a good one.
Didn't have any activity in front.
Well, they're not flying much at the entrance, but
Well, yeah, they don't, are they?
yeah, roaring a little bit.
Yeah, they are.
Oh, down in there. Yeah, there's something wrong here. There's something wrong here. And a little alley. I believe this is twins. Yeah, there's something wrong here. We got honey, but yeah, it's just too much drone here. Just drone group, you know. And you see their owl, you know.
We're waiting. Oh, that's that double D. Double D.
And we got trying to make a soup sell, but they didn't have a batch because it's not fertile, you know. This one here's not going to make it. If we had a queen, we might be able to say, we go down to the bottom, see what's down there. Now this one here, it's queenless, there's no doubt about it. It's queenless. Yeah, it's queenless, it didn't make it. Yeah. See, this is a strip to control the beetles and the mites. And we don't have to bust it up. It's just, you know, we got no queens. They're not strong enough to ever make it. You see?
Yep.
I mean, you know, here's a perfect example. See, it's all laying work.
Yep.
And it's all grown. See?
Yeah.
You got no choice. You just got, I don't know what happened. You just got queens. Laying workers, and if you don't break that, see, I tried to get started, but see, there's not enough bees in here. If you had a queen, I don't think, see? I'd say bust it up, you know.
Okay.
If you don't want to, that's up to you, but.
You the
Well,
wisdom.
let's find a weaker one to shake it out in front of a weaker one.
Okay.
What do you say?
Yeah.
Like maybe that one, that box,
Well, that box there is empty.
empty, yeah, okay.
But there's
Well, let's
one
find
over
it.
there on the side there that might be
Might
weak
be like
too.
that,
See
there
that
might
other
be
one?
weak,
Yeah.
we can shake it out in front of there, you know?
I don't know.
Yeah, you see they're going each other. You see there's this and here, here's the old queen that's petered out. Look at her.
Oh, is she?
Yeah, I mean,
I don't
she
see
just
her. Oh, yeah, I see her. I see her. Yeah. I see her now.
She's wore out. Look how slow she's moving. She's wore out. All she can do now is produce a few old grown. That's an old queen. You know? Worthless. I hate to do this, but you have to kill her. See, she's grown old, she's old and wore out, and the bees have petered down to where they'll never build up. So, you see the results. The brood's no good. Hate to kill her. But I'm going to kill her. You know? I just hate to bring her up. And she's old and she's wore out. She's not very active.
No, she's not.
Just, you know, she's quite good. You have to keep her in the smoker so the bees don't congregate around in the bee yard. But you can see the results. If the brood is working, it's gone. Not enough to do, Doc. But, you know. Gladys, you said you was going to buy me some. Gladys, you said you was going to buy me some suspenders. Where are they? I want some red ones. Because I'm about to lose my pants. GAFLLA bees they're doing good, but we're a little anxious, I suppose, always wanting more than what we got. Seems like we're never satisfied. The more we get, the more we want. But all in all, the season is still young. And anything can happen in our favor within the next week or 10 days. We come back in another week or 10 days, we should see a drastic improvement as far as in weight
They want it their own.
and
The big man,
in
yeah.
population.
That will come off the trunk, just enough to let it walk off.
Whenever the beekeeper comes around and asks for a location, please accommodate him, because without the bees we'd be in sad shape as far as food production, and eventually through the years there'd be a national famine, and we don't even want to think about that. So respect the bees, love the bees, and accommodate the bees and the beekeeper in any way, shape, form, or fashion that we can. Be happy.